They need to make this basket. Bon.
Wow!
What a follow-up. Oh my goodness. And forward pass. Alexis Geraldine.
Gusto pang itar ni Molinari sa hiyawan ng mga supporters ng Basilan dito sa kanilang home.
Viernes hace 1 second remaining. Jeff Viernes.
He puts it in.
Is delivered.
Pero alam mo, kitang-kita natin sa angle nito. Baroka wanted to foul him. Pero he was in the motion of about to shoot. So Baroka did not want to foul him.
Ito Jaime.
David!
Buzzer beater!
Got it, David! A dream quarter! Finishing Colombia strong with that booming triple.
A tie at the end of the first. Kasi po may club na yun, 21 players, 500 points.
Hindi mo nagkakamali. Ito, hindi magkakamali si Cortez.
Robles, isolation. Jason to the cup. Iniwan pa bala. Troy steps back. Robles para sa tres.
Wow!
Bakit? Nga naman hindi.
He makes you should stop this. There's no more timeout for Manila.
4-on-2. Kick out. Benenzon para sa tres. Bakit? Nga naman hindi.
At sabay-sabay ang hiyaw.
Moradas, isa pa ba? Isa pa ba?
No? Hindi na nakapag-close out.
And it is a three-pointer, one personal, just in the nick of time.
Crossing over one more time. Maxanio delivers! Sabi niya, ano
They're rewinding everything here. Here business in this final possession. Here it is.
What a shot from the pride of
From Mount Garcia at the right moment.
In this, kumbaga yung huling hirit.
Imes. Oh, grabe. Grabe. Ganda ng pasan.
Uli nila ang possession nito. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ni Archie.
At Gio soaring through the air and he scores for the Dons.
Habang na lang ang lamang ng TNT. Timeout agad ang tinawag.
They went for a two-point shot. I thought they should have gone for a three-point shot to make it just a 1.
56-55. Ginebra looking to take their first lead of the game.
Thompson! This big cycle goes for hers.
Spin move, di ba?
Yan.
Yung iba pag-spin, nandun free.
Nalito na ako kasi parang yung pagkapeterano
The
niya.
run is Basibas gets the basket to go. Plus the foul.
Kaya talaga makakuha ng kung ano-anong punto sa
Labas. Morada for three. Fell off the window. And it looked good from River City.
Blow by against the Black sa ilalim. And Black makes it count. Plus the foul. Three-pointer kailangan.
Di Gregorio releases and carries the three.
That's what happened. Sinabi ko ba naman, they were able to take care of their fouls, use it.
Abueva dito, Venezuela, di ba matapos?
Azul, Abueva.
Salad bang! What a rejection! Leo! But well, celebration, he goes right again.
Riding the elevator. Vanuelas, the life wire.
If there's a screen, he gets it back. Wilson for three. Wilson knocks it down.
I felt it was gonna go in.
16 points for John Wilson.
And it is a three-pointer, one personal, just in the nick of time.
Marikina, isa na lang para sa Bulacan! Tumama pa!
A phenomenal move by keeper Lugano with the
Nakainan si Book para kay
Sabi niya, tama naman. Puro pasa na lang. How about this time? 10 points now for keeper Ravenna with a beautiful layup.
Grabe yun, sir.
69-53.
Oh, Mike Colombia, binuta
Sayang all the way!
Yan! Pang Sports Center yan!
And that slash by Mike Colombia.
Anim na sila. Romeo.
Oh, Terrence Romeo! Money on the break!
I just feel that Terrence Romeo is just suddenly saying,
Perez has it. 1 second
for
remaining.
Meralco.
Del Fierro!
He puts it in!